What's up, guys? No, you haven't seen me in a while. I have a day off today. Figure the weather is really nice. It's like 50 degrees right now, and I really want to wash the car before the next snowstorm. The Benz does get to see a lot of snow. That means snow and salt. So I figure I got some new soap, I got some new equipment, got a new mic, want to test everything out. Got a gimbal for all the cinematic shots, and I do have some new Honeydew soap. This is the Chemical Guys Honeydew Snow Foam Auto Wash. Last time I did have the Mr. Pink, so let's see how this Honeydew performs. You guys can see how dirty this car is. I know the last time you might have seen these wheels, they might have been an alloy, but I did get them powder coated black. Wasn't a minor accident, so I needed a new fender, hood, and headlight. But I think 3 wheels were damaged. The car got pushed against the curb, so we might as well had to get them repaired. So we just did a powder coat on them in a gloss black, which I'll show you as soon as the car is clean. Another mod that I did do, we did have to get a new front bumper, and I hate putting holes in the bumper for the license plate. So I got one of these retractable ones. It's a manual, but you go to car shows or you're parked on the corner, you can put the plate away. Definitely keeps it clean and nice. And then when you want to drive, keep it all legal, pop the plate right back up. So I wanted this to be you know, how much Honeydew soap you use and how the foam comes out, but like all things in my life, my pressure washer isn't working now, you know. It's like what can go wrong does go wrong with these vlogs. But I did do the regular 2-bucket, you know, soap and water, and I washed the car, and this is how it came out. So while I was washing the car, I know you guys are probably thinking that I mounted this license plate wrong. This bracket usually is supposed to go underneath the lip over here, but this car goes into New York City, goes into Manhattan 5 days out of the week, and you know, potholes and curbs and everything else. I did not want this plate to be down one day, hit a curb, get pushed down, and mess up the bumper and ultimately lose the license plate. So I had this installed right underneath the bumper, and the grill was cut just a little bit, just so the license plate could go in. I don't have to worry about if I hit the curb or if I'm going through a drive-through and I have to do an evasive maneuver just so the plate doesn't get damaged. But this is how the car looks clean. And I didn't get to dry the wheels yet, but these are the gloss black wheels, nice, shiny. I'm gonna get the leaf blower out and dry those wheels off. But let me know how the car came out, guys. So just like winter in New York City, it is going to snow again next week, but I definitely want to get this layer of salt off. It did snow last Thursday, so the car has been dirty for a week, and you don't really want salt and snow and other debris to stay on the car for that long. The car has been waxed before the start of winter, so I'm not worried too much, but definitely you don't want to leave that stuff on too long. And just by pulling the car in and out of the driveway, you can see all the marks of the dirt and the salt. And it is 50 degrees right now, so a lot of this water is from the snow melting, not from me washing the car. And definitely expect a full review on this CLA. I definitely have a lot of thoughts about it, a lot of good things and a couple of bad things, so that's definitely something to watch out for in the future.